News just coming in, the Unnao rape survivor has spoken out. In fact, that family is now speaking after BJP MLA from Unnao, Kuldeep Singh Sengar, was taken into custody by the Central Bureau of Investigation. The survivor says she wants the strictest possible action against the MLA. She's demanded death penalty for Kuldeep Singh Sengar in this case. Let's listen in to the family. I'll get you more on the story.
मैं मीडिया का धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, मैं देश की जनता को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, मैं देश की सारी पार्टियों को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा जिन लोगों ने मुहिम छेड़ी और सरकार को मजबूर होना पड़ा सीबीआई जांच के लिए। 6 महीने पहले सीबीआई जांच क्यों नहीं सरकार ने कराई? हमें सीबीआई पे भरोसा है, जांच अच्छी दिशा में चलेगी। विधायक जी को जेल होगी, इनके साथियों को जेल होगी, वे सारे लोगों को अरेस्ट करेगी सीबीआई, पूछताछ सबसे करेगी।
India Today's Nilanshu now joins me for more on the story. So Nilanshu, is there more clarity? Has the BJP MLA from Unnao been arrested, being taken into custody, detained, or just called for questioning by the CBI?
See, Gaurav, what we have been told from our sources is that the CBI has arrested gang rape accused BJP MLA Kuldeep Sengar from his residence in Indiranagar in Lucknow, and right now he is being questioned at the CBI office at Hazratganj in Lucknow, and we are right now in Unnao at the hotel where the family members are staying, and we have heard the rape survivor saying very clearly that that it is good that the CBI has arrested the gang rape accused BJP MLA Kuldeep Sengar finally, and the family members are demanding strictest possible punishment for Kuldeep Sengar. They are saying that the death penalty should be given to the BJP MLA because the family has suffered a lot, and they have also slammed the Yogi Adityanath government and UP police for favoring the BJP MLA and his people since the very beginning, because we have also seen yesterday in the Allahabad High Court, shockingly, the UP government telling the court that there are not enough evidences to basically arrest the BJP MLA, and that is why he was not arrested. And immediately when this case was referred to the CBI took over the case late evening yesterday, and a team of CBI officials reached Lucknow and immediately arrested the BJP MLA Kuldeep Sengar. So the family members are satisfied with the CBI inquiry which is happening right now, because CBI immediately after taking the inquiry arrested the BJP MLA Kuldeep Sengar. This is what the family members were demanding, and right now the BJP MLA is being questioned, and what we are all hearing from our sources is that the CBI will also question the police officers who were investigating this case. The role of the police officers are also being probed. Their call details will also be examined by the CBI. So we can also expect action against those people who tried, who helped the BJP MLA in botching up the investigation and also involved in basically doing one-sided investigation.
Stay with me for a moment. That's very interesting that it's not just the accused MLA of the BJP, Kuldeep Singh Sengar, but even police officers, their role will be investigated in this case. How is the rape survivor reacting to these latest developments? Let's listen in.
हिरासत में सर कुछ नहीं होता, अभी तो अच्छी तरह से गिरफ्तार नहीं हुए, अभी तो उनको हिरासत में लिया गया। क्या पता अभी आप सुरक्षित महसूस कर रही हैं क्या? जी सर, अभी भी आरक्षित। जब तक वो जेल नहीं जाएगा तब तक हम लोगों को शांति नहीं होगी। कड़ी से कड़ी सजा दी जाए या फिर उनको फांसी। सरकार से क्या मांगा गया? कुछ हमको सरकार से यही मांग, इनको फांसी की सजा।
So Nilanshu, the CBI investigations and the survivors also expressing that apprehension. He's just been called in for questioning. One, the rape accused MLA needs to be taken into custody, interrogated, and this entire ecosystem that may have worked around him, that's also under investigation. So is it just the administrative ecosystem or even the political ecosystem?
See, what we have been told is that the CBI is going to investigate all the angles in this case, and they are going to reconstruct the entire sequence of events regarding this case, and they are going to investigate this case from the very beginning, and CBI will also interrogate and question those people who are involved in this case from the very beginning, right from the police officers who refused to file an FIR of the rape victim, and also they are going to investigate the allegations of the family members who said that the FIR which was filed in June was tampered, and the BJP MLA name name was not included in that FIR. So the CBI is going to investigate all the angles in this case, and not only the BJP MLA, those police officers who are responsible for botching up the case, helping the BJP MLA in tampering the investigation will also be questioned, and action can be taken against them as well.
Okay, let's once again listen into both the survivor and her uncle. So while they're relieved that the MLA has been taken into custody, they're still not confident whether justice will be done. Let's listen in.
मैं मीडिया का धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, मैं देश की जनता को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, मैं देश की सारी पार्टियों को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा जिन लोगों ने मुहिम छेड़ी और सरकार को मजबूर होना पड़ा सीबीआई जांच के लिए। 6 महीने पहले सीबीआई जांच क्यों नहीं सरकार ने कराई? हमें सीबीआई पे भरोसा है, जांच अच्छी दिशा में चलेगी, विधायक जी को जेल होगी, इनके साथियों को जेल होगी, भी सारे लोगों को अरेस्ट करेगी सीबीआई, पूछताछ सबसे करेगी।
हिरासत में सर कुछ नहीं होता, अभी तो अच्छी तरह से गिरफ्तार नहीं हुए, अभी तो उनको हिरासत में लिया गया। क्या पता
अभी आप असुरक्षित महसूस कर रही हैं क्या?
जी सर, अभी भी असुरक्षित। जब तक वो जेल नहीं जाएगा तब तक हम लोगों को शांति नहीं होगी। कड़ी से कड़ी सजा दी जाए या फिर उनको फांसी।
सरकार से क्या मांगा गया?
कुछ हमको सरकार से यही मांग, इनको फांसी की सजा।
A quick break. There's a big story coming up. On the other side of these messages, there's tension between the BJP and the PDP in Jammu and Kashmir after the Asifa gang rape and murder investigations. I'll tell you more about that. Also, 3 aides of Dawood Ibrahim Kaskar have been taken into custody in Delhi. All that and much more on India's agenda. Stay with us.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.